precious gift that the Lord has given to us. You know, when you look at your child and your loving nose and you and those when you look at your child and you hold him in your arms, you really just want to say, thank you, Lord. Thank you for this beautiful life that you gave me. And up to now, I think I would give up anything for my children.
Thank you very much, Mom. Thank you very much for being part of Mom. We are very, truly honored to have you. And congratulations.
Thank you.
Sa aming pong pagbabalik para naman po namin ang most inspiring sa mga anak na bumisita dito sa atin sa Mom.
Ano ba dyan?
Ha?
Ano ba dyan? Malapit na hindi ka makuha-kuha ka rin kayo maka-actor. Hindi siya makuha. Hindi siya malapit.
Aso ka. Pwede pang YouTube yun.
Walang ita.
Kami lang. Kami lang. So yung malikot diba?
Ayan yung makulit. Labit na hindi niya makakuha.
Sige na lang.
Yan na.
Di ba rin?
Yan na. Oh, yan na.
Yan na, abot na.
Abot na, napagod na siya.
Alam mo na.
Yan na. Ay, kala, pagod na siya.
Stop.